Maybe an explanation is owed. Some tremendous fourth wall break to start this thing off. Maybe one isn't. Maybe I'm just annoyed at this TikTok trend where people deface and denude a perfectly good sandwich for clout. This here is the classic Dago grinder.
Editor's note: Dago was a slur used to marginalize and belittle members of the Italian immigrant community from the late 19th to early 20th centuries. Its use is considered archaic and obsolete by modern scholars, and it would be more appropriate to use Guido, Ginzo, Goomba, sausage stuffer, greasewad, or Fredo in a sauce-stained wife beater and a permanent green mark on his chest from the 14K guinea he wears around his neck. The Italian-American community would be upset if they could hear this video over the sound of Led Zeppelin 4 blaring out of the Kenwood in their 1984 IROC Z with the leaky T-tops.
This here is a classic Dago grinder. It has it all. Lettuce, pickles, onion, tomato, shakers, oil and vinegar, ham, provi, pepperoni, salami, a nice spicy pepper relish, mustard and mayo. Ain't that a thing of beauty? I could look at this all day. Let's destroy it. Maybe I'm just a sadomasochist. Some flavor of terrorist who likes to cause a front against aesthetic. The Hague will come for me. For what I have done here is a crime against God and man and civilization itself. Go ahead, call the culinary police. I don't give a fuck. There we go.
Pile that shit on. Oh yeah. And don't forget to crown your king. Glop. Glop. How about that cross section? Oh yeah. I got the bread mixed up. What a catastrophic mess I've invented here. God. This is what you Zoomers like, huh?
Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba. Honk.